Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to unbox and review one of the most advanced robot vacuum systems out there. The Dreame Aqua10 Roller Robot Vacuum and Mop. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a fully automated smart cleaning system. Unboxing. Alright, let's start with the unboxing, Nia. Hey everyone, welcome back. The channel where tech isn't just reviewed, it's experienced. This is Buzz Tech. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tech drop from Buzz Tech. Box experience. The box is quite large and gives off a very premium feel, which clearly tells you this is a high-end product. What's inside the box? Once you open it, everything is neatly organized and securely packed. Inside, you get the robot vacuum unit, the power dock station, roller mop assembly, clean water tank and dirty water tank side brush, power cable user manual, and quick start guide. Everything is well protected, and the packaging quality is excellent. First impressions. Taking the robot out, it looks sleek, modern, and very premium. On top, you get sensors for navigation, and underneath, you can see the roller system. The dock is a bit large, but that's because it handles everything automatically. Design and build. The build quality feels solid and premium. The dock isn't just for charging, it's a complete cleaning hub that manages dust, water, and self-cleaning functions all in one place. Real-time mopping. Now let's talk about its most impressive feature. AquaRoll TM, real-time freshwater mopping. Traditional robot mops reuse dirty water and spread it across your floor. But this one continuously uses fresh water while cleaning and keeps the roller clean in real time. So you get no dirty mop reuse, no streaks, no bad smell. This is a true next-gen mopping system. Sucsayo. When it comes to performance, this robot is a beast. It offers up to 30,000 Pascal suction power, which is extremely powerful. Dust, debris, pet hair, everything gets cleaned effortlessly. And thanks to the dual brush system, hair tangling is significantly reduced. Self-cleaning dock. Here comes the futuristic part. Hot water. Self-cleaning dock. The robot washes its mop using hot water at around 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which helps remove bacteria, grease, and dirt. After that, it also dries the mop automatically, so it stays fresh and odor-free. Smart features. This robot is also packed with smart features. Carpet detection. Automatically avoids wetting carpets, obstacle crossing. Can climb up to around 2.3 inches. Smart mapping. Efficiently maps your home for better cleaning. Using the app, you can select specific rooms, set cleaning schedules, create no-go zones. Fully automated experience. The best part? It's almost completely hands-free. The dock automatically empties dust, washes the mop, refills water, dries the roller. So basically, you don't have to do anything. Real life. Use. If you have pets, kids, or a busy lifestyle, this robot can handle your daily cleaning without any effort. It saves time, energy, and keeps your home consistently clean. Real-time freshwater mopping. Extremely powerful suction. Hot water mop cleaning. Fully automated dock. Advanced smart features. Premium pricing. Large dock size might be overkill for small homes. So, is the Dreame Aqua10 roller worth it? If you're looking for a premium, fully automated cleaning solution, this is easily one of the most advanced robot vacuums available right now. It's not just a gadget, it's a complete smart home upgrade. Thanks for tuning in to Buzz Tech. If you found this video helpful or just love geeking out over gadgets, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you never miss a drop. This is Buzz Tech. We'll be back soon with more tech magic. Until then, stay tuned, stay buzzing, and peace out.